Hi there. So I want to do a video announcement, a recorded announcement today, in place of my regular typed announcement after our class session. I just have to tell you that your involvement today was really exceptional. You really leaned into the activities, you had fun with the activities, and thank you for trying them out with each other. But I noticed that there's still some confusion about the language that we're using when we describe these activities. Is it phonological awareness? Is it phonemic awareness? Is it phonics? So I'm just going to recap for you real quick. Remember my visual of the umbrella, the big umbrella. The big umbrella is the teacher with the strategies, okay? These are all phonological awareness activities, okay? It's the broader skill, okay? And it includes things like um, word word awareness, rhyme awareness, syllable awareness, alliteration awareness, which are some of the activities we participated in today when we did our Haggerty. But it also includes phonemic awareness activities, which specifically focuses on the ability to identify and manipulate the individual sounds or the phonemes within words. Okay? And that's where we spent most of our focus today on the phonemic awareness activities, manipulating sounds. And we watched that progression from week 1 to week 19. I think it was to week 32 or 33. Yeah, so you could see that progression, how the skill develops over time. Um, to bring it home for you, let's compare phonemic awareness to phonics. Phonemic awareness is the ability to hear, so there's no writing involved. For example, I would say my name is Wanda. Wanda begins with W, and I would ask my tutee to tell me their name and tell me the first letter sound they hear in their name. Where phonics, on the other hand, is when we bring in our dry erase board and we bring in our sand tray, and this is a visual connecting to audio activity. This is where we talk about spellings for the sounds that we hear. So I would identify the W sound in Wanda with the letter W, and the same for my tutee. Okay, so I got some resources here for you. We refer to chapter 5 and 6 in our core textbook. It's a great resource for phonemic awareness, phonics, and phonological awareness activities, um, and some theory. And we have our supplementary course materials, the Haggerty, which if you need a copy of, I have some extra copies, and then the UFly, if you need a copy, I still have an extra copy or two. Okay. I want to give you some digital resources to go with those supplementary materials. So I can't remember if these videos I've linked here are small group, individual lesson, sample lessons, and then whole group, or the other way around. So tap tap the links and take a look. I gave you two UFly videos. They have a huge library on YouTube, and so does Haggerty. They have a huge library on YouTube. Okay, so what I'll do for you is post this slide deck in the PDF version in our Canvas course in this week's module so that you can click the hot links. But have some fun, practice. You're building your foundational early literacy skills for these young readers, and it's important work. So practice and enjoy yourself. So if you could, in the next couple of hours or day, because Thursday's coming quick, use your phone. Take a 5-minute video of you teaching your phonemic awareness skill that you want to teach with your 2T on Thursday. Show a friend, show a peer from our class, get some feedback. We'll check in together on Thursday before you start your 2T session and get some feedback. And then I'm also going to ask you for feedback on the usefulness of this recap and the usefulness of it being a recorded video announcement. compared to my typed one. So, have some fun, and I'll see you in 2 days.